Hello again, it's Tim from ORACLE-BASE.com. In this video, we'll take a look at the type of things you're likely to encounter in the from clause of an SQL statement. In this statement, we've asked for all of the columns from the employees table, and we've asked for the data to be ordered by the employee ID. Since all the data is coming from a single table, we just have that one table referenced in the from clause. When we execute the query, we see all of the data from all of the columns, as expected. In many cases, we need to source data from multiple tables at once. This is done using joins. In this example, we're using an ANSI-style join between the employees and departments table. The join itself is done using the department ID column from each table. When we do an ANSI-style join, all the tables and their join conditions are listed in the from clause. When we execute this query, we're expecting to see each employee name and their department name, and that's exactly what we see. Many Oracle developers prefer to use the non-ANSI style syntax for joins. The tables are referenced as a comma-separated list in the from clause, and the join condition is a predicate in the where clause. This statement is functionally equivalent to the previous one, so we get the same output. We'll deal with joins specifically in another video. You'll often see subqueries in the from clause. These are known as inline views. Once defined and given an alias, they can be joined and referenced like a regular table. Once again, this statement is functionally equivalent to the previous two examples. An alternative to the inline view is to move the subquery out into the with clause. We can then reference this named query in the from clause of the main select statement. This can be used to make a very complicated from clause look much simpler. Yet another alternative is to break the subquery out as a conventional view. The view has been used to hide the complexity of the query. Notice how simple the from clause looks now. This next example uses a pipeline table function. Don't worry too much about the functionality here. It's more of an advanced technique, but I just want to show you an example of what it looks like in the from clause. If you see something like this in a from clause, it means a table function or a pipeline table function is being used. These are special types of functions that can be queried as if they were tables. We'll cover most of the functionality shown here in greater depth in different videos, but hopefully this has given you a taste of what you're likely to see in the from clause. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and click like on the video if you liked it.